Then we come to our final question. Even if
Yeah.
you're a recruiter, we still want to ask you the same question. What are the three things you know now that you wish you would have known then? Or in other words, what would you recommend to the younger Henry?
Okay, so there's lots I'd recommend, not necessarily all of it to do with business. Lots recommend not doing.
Something you can share on this podcast.
Yeah, of course, yeah. So
family audience.
exactly. So one of the things that really served me well, kind of not too far in, but like really specialize and find an area where no one else operates. Do that sooner. So the surgical robotics was a great move, and at the time it was kind of just falling into it. But that nicheness really gave us a platform to build something and become. Not quite famous, but we became really well known in a small space, and that has built an incredible launch pad. So do that sooner. I think that's one. Headcount is a vanity metric, is another one. So when I first hired a team out, we hired like up to 5 people and had another direct one at the same time. And we didn't really know what we were hiring for. We hired people who we liked. We didn't really have a process. We didn't really know what we wanted. And we're just like, hey, we like that person, put them into there. So headcount's a vanity metric. And we since built a really robust hiring process, and the person we've most recently hired, Jordan, is working out incredibly well. And then we've got operations. He's also working out really well. Jim as well. A big shout out to the guys. So that's been really good. So, and then the third thing is just work really, really hard. Work as hard as you can early on, and good things will happen. The harder you work, the luckier you get, and that's definitely happened for us. And so, yeah, there you go. 3 things.
Well, Henry, I've known you for a long time. I know you are seen as, robotic recruitment royalty. I'll put it that way. You're on the cutting edge of so many technologies. And this podcast, I want to thank you. You've given so many lessons and so many good tips and tricks for people and helping them to understand the process. I mean, we do need talented people to come into our industry. And working with talented people like yourself is the way to get into the industry and ultimately help hundreds and thousands of patients. So thank you very much.
No, thank you very much. It does feel weird to sit on the other side of the camera and be under the spotlight.